thickening spray, Bumble and Bumble thickening spray. I love this stuff. You can take it at the root, it's gonna give a lift. You can never use too much of this stuff. This is what's gonna give hold and structure to the hair. So even with people with super thick hair, I'll still use this just for that structure and hold to the blow dryer. Just gonna brush this out real quick. Nothing crazy, we just wanna look polished, you know? So I'm gonna take a blow dryer. Blow dryer doesn't need to be anything fancy, but what I do like about a blow dryer is a nozzle, and I can do a lot with my hands and hand styling. So the thing I'm gonna focus on first is her root and lifting the root and building in that volume. So with the blow dryer, you notice I focused on the root and getting that lift to the root. Also, lift, blow dryer, and like lay it over opposite of where the hair naturally falls so that it cools that way and builds volume also. So we just got our root nice and lifted, just a rough blow dry, and I'm gonna take the curling iron and just go in and give a little wave or a bend to some of her hair. And with the length of her hair, you don't need to worry so much about curling underneath because you're not gonna see that anyways. So just focus on the top, get a few bends, a few waves. The trend right now for hair is more of a natural texture. It's not this like super perfect, sleek, straight hair. Okay. So curling iron, I'm using a Marcel curling iron. Around her face, I'm gonna take these first pieces, I'm gonna curl away from her face, and the first bend that I'm gonna do is going to be right at her eye level. So I'm gonna take the clamp, go in, pull it down using the bevel of the curling iron to help with that bend, drop it down, bevel again, come out. Even if you're just doing one bend, totally fine. This isn't like a super curl. This is more of that beach wave that everyone kind of likes. So using the bevel of the curling iron, dropping it down, and I'm keeping the ends straight. That section's a little bit longer, so we can kind of go back through it and maybe do 2 bends. Going nice and slow, dropping it down, bend, drop it down. Keep the ends straight. Also, the hair is hot right now, so let it cool. Don't go in and start messing with these curls. Let it cool like that. So now I'm gonna go in the opposite direction, taking the curling iron in, using the bevel. I'm kind of pulling it through. I'm not really curling the hair. Dropping it down, pulling it, dropping it down, straightening those ends. This one right here by the ear, I'm gonna curl this towards the face. Why am I doing that? Because I wanna keep the length here in the front. Opening the barrel up, pull, come down, straighten out the ends. So the one right here by the face. By the face, we always want it to go away from the face. Pulling it down right here by the eye is the first place that I'm starting to see the bend. Pull it down, straighten out the ends. The first 2 sections that fall on the face, I like to curl away, just so it keeps it open. Stretching. It's kind of like we're stretching this curl out. This one right here by the ear, I'm gonna take it and curl towards the face. Again, in to keep that length right there in front. And because her hair is shorter, I'm not going to worry about the one on the bottom. We're in a hurry, we're going to work, we're running late. The story of my life. Just kidding. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go in, and this is when we can shake it out. So the curling iron is giving it a nice smoothness, but also we're building in that texture for that perfect beach wave. I would do a couple more of them on the back, but I just want to show you this from the front. Two finishing products that I love. I love a texturizing spray. So texturizing spray, I'm just going to pick up her hair. You can go right at the root. This is going to give that grittiness or that texture because her hair is so silky and soft and fine. I want something for the hair to kind of grip to give that appearance of more texture. And then a finishing product, I'm going to use the Brilliantine for her ends, just to give that pieciness. Warm it up with my hands, focus on the ends. And there's that tassel, just a wave. It's not